Hello and welcome to the Rexroth store. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can log into your account and how you can register if you do not have an account with us. To begin, you go to our homepage at www.boschrexroth.com/en/ca/. In the burger menu to the left, you would open that burger menu up and choose Buy. Under the options, choose Rexroth Store and click the link that will bring you directly into the store. At this point, the user is not logged in. In order to log in, they would simply choose My Rexroth, log in, register with Bosch ID. If you have an existing ID, you would just enter your email and password associated with your current account. It is the same account that you would have had on the previous eShop store. But if you need to register a new account, you simply choose Log in, Register, Log in for customers and partners, and you would do that as well if you were logging into an existing account, and then simply hit Not Registered Yet. And here you would enter the email address that you would like associated with your Rexroth store, set your password, agree to the terms and conditions, and then register. From there, you will receive an activation email, which will be sent to the email address that you registered with. Simply go into that email, hit activate, and then proceed to log into the store where you will be required to fill in some more information. We will then allow you to send requests for quotes at that time, and then we will review your account in order to determine the roles that you should be able to get with your login. So in this situation, I'm going to go back, and here is how you would log in if you have an existing login to the former eShop or the Rexroth store. It would be the same login that you had before. So you just enter your email and your password, and then simply hit login. You will know you are logged in as soon as you see the red highlight on your My Rexroth icon. If you open that icon, you will see that your name will be in the top left, and all of the information and access rights you have will be listed here. At this point, you can begin searching our store, checking your orders and invoices, and making purchases online. Thank you for using the Rexroth store. Have a good day.